Hello, welcome again. In this tutorial, we will use our data to draw some circles in the SVG, and we will also explore some color properties. So see, we have an array data. So we will use the values in the array as radius of the circle. So we are appending SVG to body. That's already clear to you. So see this one, we have created a new variable colors d3.scale.category10. This is a built-in property of d3. Using this, a bunch of 10 colors or an array of 10 colors is created. A bunch of 10 colors is created. There are other categories, category 20, category 20b, category 20c. These are also different categories. In category 20 there are 20 colors. Okay, in category 20b there are also 20 colors, but they are different colors than category 20. Same thing as 20c. So we will draw some circles in our SVG and give the circles different color depending on this category 10. See what we are doing. In previous one lecture we have said that if we don't have some attributes or some tags that are needed by data, then we should use select all, and then data. Within the data method we will pass our data array or data variable, then enter. After calling enter, here the length of data is probably 15. 15 different circle objects, circle selection objects will be created. But selections are created, but we don't have circle tag in those selections. So we are appending circle in each of the selections. So if we have 15 entry in the data array, there will be 15 circles. If we have 16 entry in the data array, there will be 16, something like that. So see what we are doing. As cx attribute, we are doing something nice. We are passing d and I to the function. We have already said d is the data and I is the index. For example, in the data array, for the first entry, index I is 0, d is 10. So what we are doing as x property, we are playing with the index. So for the first index, I equal to 0, the circle's cx position will be at 10. For the second circle, I equal to 1, the cx position of circle will be at 60. And we are keeping the cy value fixed. We are keeping the cy value fixed so that we can create a line of circles. You can play with this also. You can choose a random variable as cy. Okay, you can easily create a random variable. So as attribute, radius attribute, I am passing the d. That means for 10, the radius of the circle will be 10. For 20, the radius of the circle will be 20. For this entry, the radius of the circle will be 25. And here we are playing the magic. Fill. As the fill or color, we are using this colors variable. See, we have used I modulus 10. I modulus 10. Why I have used I modulus 10? Because the length of my data is more than 10, but there are only 10 colors in category 10. So colors will be from 0 to 9 index. So as my data length is more than 10, sometimes that index will be 12, 13, 14, and it will go out of index. So we are passing modulus 10. So what will happen? Some colors will be repeated after it has already used its 10 color once. See how it happens. Let's see the output. Okay, I have said that after using 10 colors once, the colors will be repeated. See, here blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 colors are used once, and then the colors are repeating again. Blue, orange, blue, orange, green, green, red. So this is category 10. I have written this as a function to make you understand how category 10 is used. You can also change it to category 20 and use modulus 20 to see. For example, I am passing using modulus category 20 and passing modulus. What will happen? You will see that now, as my length of data is less than 20, no colors are repeated. Nice, isn't it? Okay. So now see what I am going to do. I am not using function. I have used function just to make you understand it. I am just pressing colors. Okay. D3 will automatically take care of it. Same thing. So no need to write function. Just pass the category variable and D3 will automatically take care of it. Category 20B. See what are the colors. Different colors, but there are 20 colors here also. C20C. What are there? Yeah. So we have learned how to play with D and I, play with colors, and plot a number of circles or rectangles. I have drawn circles on the SVG. You can draw rectangles also. If I tell you that draw 20 rectangles at different positions, you can draw it, isn't it? Providing different fill colors. So as an assignment, I tell you to play with circles, play with different colors, play with different attributes, and as an assignment take, use this data variable, and okay, you can use this. You have to draw some squares on the SVG. As the square, use width and height. You have to use the same. You have to use the same width and height, and use 10 as the size of D as the size of the arm of square. So for the first square, the size of arm will be 10. For the second square, size of arm will be 50. And the position, XY position, you have to pass XY position for rectangles to shift them at different places in the SVG. And for X, use I into 50 plus some offset, you may prefer. And for Y attribute, you play with some random variable, some fixed variable, and your choice. And I will be very glad if you people do the assignment and in comment put a JS Fiddle and I can see what you have done. Thanks a lot. See you in next lectures, and I hope you will enjoy the upcoming lectures. In the upcoming lectures, we will do more amazing things, and be confident that we will do ourselves and learn by doing. So I will use less words, do more, so that you understand better, and I will cover a lot of things of D3. I will not just finish the tutorial series after reaching a certain point. I will try to cover almost all the things that are required to become professional data visualization developer. Thanks a lot. See you later. See you in the upcoming lectures.